Kemcho Gujarat. Myself Nitesh Kumar Misra. Right now I am here at the MISUMI stall at ENGIMACH 2025. We are displaying here our new emerging product, the Linear Motor Activator. Main feature is the speed, the higher speed. The maximum speed is the 2 meter per second. The rated is the 1.5 meter per second. Accuracy will talk the 5 plus minus the 5 micron will go up to the plus minus 2 micron. The product life span is the 50,000 hours. So if you will run this product by 24/7, will go up to the 5.5 years. We are very happy to share the feedback that we are getting very good positive response for this linear motor activator from the customer and at the ENGIMACH 2025.